In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore purchased apps in Google Play. If you've switched to a new Android phone, reset your device, or simply deleted an app you paid for in the past, the good news is that you usually don't need to buy it again. As long as you're signed in with the same Google account used for the original purchase, Google Play makes it easy to find apps you've had before and install them again. To get started, open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. Once the Play Store is open, tap your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. This opens the account menu where you can access settings and app management options linked to your Google Play account. From that menu, tap Manage Apps and Device. This section is where Google Play keeps track of the apps connected to your account, including apps that are currently installed and apps you've downloaded in the past. Next, tap Manage. This will bring you to a list of apps associated with your account on the current device. At first, you'll typically see the apps that are already installed on your phone or tablet. So the next step is important if you want to restore something that isn't currently on the device. Look for the filter that says this device and tap it. Then select Not Installed. Once you do that, the list will change and show apps connected to your Google account that are not currently installed on this device. This is the easiest way to locate apps you previously downloaded or purchased but no longer have installed. Now scroll through the list and find the purchased app you want to restore. When you see it, select the app and then press the download button to install it again. Depending on the app, it may begin downloading right away, or you may be taken to the app page first and then complete the installation from there. Keep in mind that restoring the app itself is not always the same as restoring in-app content or saved data, since that can depend on the app developer and whether your data was backed up. But for the app purchase itself, this method is the standard way to reinstall it without paying again. And that's it. Once the app finishes installing, you can open it and start using it again. If you don't see the app in the list, make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, since purchases are tied to the account that originally bought the app.